Let's talk about evaluation of marketing. The term evaluation of marketing describes how marketing concepts have developed over here. This evaluation was driven by changes in technology, customer expectation, and marketing dynamic. There are six major stages that shape together modern marketing. First is production concept before 1930s. Focus on mass production and efficiency. Believe customer wants products that are easily available and affordable. They use approach like low cost, large scale manufacturing, assuming customer will automatically buy. Limitation completely ignored customer preference. Example Ford Model T, any color as long as it black. Production concept 1930s to 1950s. They focus on quality, performance, and innovation. They believe a better product will naturally sell more. They use approach like business invested heavily in improving product features and design. Limitations fail to understand what customer actually wanted. Example Many advanced products flopped down due to market mismatch. Third is selling concept 1950s to 1960s. They focus on aggressive advertising and selling. They believe customer won't buy unless persuaded. They use approaches like push strategy, personal selling, heavy ads, and discounts. They focus on short-term sales, not long-term satisfaction. Example door-to-door sales of vacuum, insurance policy, etc. Fifth is marketing concept 1960s to 1980s. They focus on customer needs and satisfaction. They believe business success comes from meeting customer needs better than competitor. They use approach like marketing research, segmentation, targeting, and positioning. They shift with marketing become a central business function. Example Coca-Cola crafting ads based on detailed consumer insights. Sixth is societal marketing concept 1980s to present. They focus on balancing profit, customer satisfaction, and societal welfare. They believe on business should act ethically and sustainably. They use approach like ethical marketing, CSR, eco-friendly branding. Their goal is to long-term sustainability, not just imitate profit. For example, The Body Shop, Patagonia, focus on ethical sourcing and green products. Sixth is relationship marketing concept 1990s to present. They focus on building long-term relationship with customer. They believe loyal customers are the most valuable assets. They use approach like CRM tools, loyalty program, personalized communication. Tools like email marketing, feedback system, dedicated customer support. For example, Amazon, delivering personalized shopping experience and recommendation. That's all. Thank you.